Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare drumstick leaves curry with coconut masala. For this, first we'll get ready with the masala. For the masala, we need quarter cup of chopped coconut. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 or 2 green chillies. You can adjust the green chillies according to your taste. Don't add water, grind this coarsely. Masala part is over. Next we are going to cook the dal. This is split green gram, that is moong dal. Take half a cup of moong dal. To this add 2 cups of water, the required amount of salt, and we are going to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. The dal is also ready. Set this aside. Next, let us take around 3 cups of drumstick leaves. Clean the leaves and set this aside. Now pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urud dal, that is split black gram. Once the mustard start popping, add a handful of curry leaves, 1 or 2 dry chilies, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 garlic pods, and 1 small onion chopped. To this let us add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now give a nice saute. Saute this for few minutes and then add a medium sized chopped tomato. Saute this till the tomatoes are cooked properly. Once the tomatoes are cooked properly, we can add the leaves. Add the required amount of salt. And a cup of water. Now let us cook this properly. We are going to close this and cook properly until the leaves are cooked. Give a stir in between. Once the leaves are cooked, we can add the dal. To this add around half a cup of water. And finally the prepared masala. As the leaves and the dal are already cooked, we are going to keep this on the flame for only around 2 or 3 minutes. By that time, the raw smell of the masala will also go off. So this is ready. We can switch off the flame now. The drumstick leaf kootu or drumstick leaf curry is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.